Hi, welcome to the third part of the autofill walkthrough within the EA platform. In the first part, we looked at the knowledge base access and how we can use this to get the best possible answers. In the second part, we looked at AI agent instructions and what we can do to make sure the AI is focused on the task at hand. And now we're going to look at the context documents. So if we go to the autofill tab, autofill our new form, and pop that in. In this third, we'll see guidance documents, optional. Let's click start. So here, this is where we would add something along the lines of any bid information, tender information, or anything that is useful for the AI to know for the wider project that it's completing. As I say, typically this would be the compliance part of a bid pack or more general information. This will help answer questions that refer to other parts of a document that isn't included in the upload. We can upload any files, so all I'm going to do is just upload the same document again, click save, and there we go. We can see that that guidance document is now uploaded. If we want to change anything, we can edit this, then delete it, save, and we can see that that is also complete still. If you have any issues, use the Get Help in the bottom left-hand corner. Thank you.